That's a fish.
Yeah. Schlunk. Welcome to Cooking with Cole. My name is Johnny, and here we got Cole.
What's up?
What?
Just brush that on there. That trout's cold. You gotta warm it up. Make sure you coat the entire thing.
What's going on, everybody? With Johnny chasing the trout. There's only one reason me and him are hanging out. We're gonna hopefully be catching some fish. Show you how to catch, clean, and cook a lake trout. Stay tuned. Boom!
We made it!
How does it feel to ride a snowmobile again?
Oh, it's been a minute. Feels amazing.
Shout out to Jeff for letting us borrow that and making this day possible.
Jeff's a beauty.
All right. I was actually sweating on the way out here.
Me too a little.
Yeah, I was like, holy crap, it's hot, man. This FXR suit's wicked. Well, we're here to catch dinner, hopefully. Just rocking a beautiful white tube jig that I'd be using at any time lake trout fishing. What are you rocking, Johnny?
Oh, white tube jig.
Oh, a white tube jig.
Old Faithful.
Yeah, you don't need anything fancy. Hopefully, it'll happen quick. a bust, so try number 2. All right, spot number 2. 57 feet here, so a bit deeper than the last spot, but there's no fish at the last spot, so catfish memories.
6.5 hours later.
Okay. Spot number 2 is a bust. Time to try a new lake. Oh no, you're in the backcountry and the pull cord broke. What do you do? What do you do, Johnny?
You're fucked.
Pop the hood? Let's see what we can do here. Most snowmobiles come with a spare strap, but grab a ratchet strap, use the non-hooked end, wrap it around the clutch. Keeping it tight the whole time. Coming from underneath. Give it a swift. Who needs a rope? No rope, no problem. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up. We'll try here.
Good. Yeah, dude, it's like if I'm between 33 and 30 feet.
Well, 15 minutes and we're moving. That's a fish.
Yeah.
Feels decent. Feels decent. Keep her pinned, bud. Keep her pinned, Cole. Leaders here, leaders here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh yeah, nice Laker, baby.
Nice.
There's dinner. There's dinner.
We got it.
Woo! Yeah, buddy. Crush the tube.
Finally, might be going back to white tubes.
Look at that. White tube.
Let's give her a rinse. Let's get some lip grip.
Hey? Not bad. Not bad. That is dinner and the first half of this awesome video. Backwoods, Manitoba lake trout, baby. Not bad.
All day.
Woo! I did forget to mention that obviously you can see from the other GoPro, but just work the water column. Don't jig on the bottom. You're not fishing for walleye. And we've moved 4 times?
This will be a third spot.
Third spot, second lake. Definitely worth moving. Don't always sit in one spot all day, especially for lake trout. They do move around, but I mean, hey, lakes are big, so sometimes you gotta go find the fish.
Yeah, got him. It looked good. It was a good mark.
Crush the rattle bait.
Leader. Good fish.
Oh yeah, baby.
Good fish.
Look at that. Woohoo!
Another beauty.
Another beauty. Rattle bait from 204 Custom Crankbaits. Thank you, Chris. Nice. Nice.
Not bad, eh?
Yeah, not bad at all, man.
Go, send them off.
He gone.
Towel for you.
Thank you. Sick.
Welcome to Cooking with Cole. My name is Johnny, and here we got Cole.
What's up?
What's up? What do we got today?
We got a Laker here that
Ooh.
I told you we'd be catching this morning. We're here. Might as well clean it on the lake before we leave, right?
Heck yeah.
Figured show you how to clean a Laker. I've already done the walleye, so it's pretty similar. If you've cleaned a walleye, you can clean a lake trout. And I'm gonna do it the fillet style. I'm not taking the head off. I'd rather bake some nice Laker fillets. So brought my Cabela's cutting board along with us today here. I bled this fish out. Go around this bottom fin with your knife if you can. There we go. Just to make it easier. You're just gonna ride the bones. Boom, one.
Beauty.
Quick and easy.
Exactly like
Quick.
a Walter.
Yeah, see? There's no more meat there. That's all bones, baby.
We don't waste out here.
No, we don't. And the rest, going to the Eagles. So, all right, same thing. Back of the head, see where that knife comes. You're just gonna slide it on the spine and let that knife do its work in reverse. We're gonna go home, throw this in the oven with some garlic, some lemon. I'll show you how to do that. Boom. Take the guts out of here. Look at that. Tell me there's any more meat on there you could take off.
None that I'd want to eat.
And here you go, Mr. Eagle. And then the only thing I got left, you don't have to do this, but I'm going to take the ribs out.
Same thing, just like a walleye.
Yep,
Follow
scoop.
it along.
Follow it along and scoop, keeping that knife pointed up the whole time.
Scoop, skip potatoes. Ah!
So you don't cut into the meat. A nice cutting board makes this a lot easier, which is why I like to bring it along on backcountry adventures, such as today.
It doesn't take up much space. A lot of utility.
No. And it folds up nicely, just like this knife.
Heck yeah.
All right, no rush. Take your time, don't waste any meat. It's not a race. And the only other thing is just cut that fin off that I told you to cut around. Right there. Just a lot of bones and stuff you don't want to eat in that little chunk. Oops. And that, leave the skin on because I'll show you why after when we get home. Lake trout, ready to go in the pan. Stay tuned for the at-home recipe. All right, we're back at home in the kitchen. Got the trout all ready to go here. Couple ingredients. I don't know if you guys have ever tried. I'm gonna show you how I like to eat trout. Two different ways, but this time I'm gonna show you the chili lime. It's pretty good. Couple ingredients here. I got a lime zested up. Couple sliced up here for after, just to squeeze on top. I got 1 teaspoon chili powder here. I got 1 tablespoon of honey. I got 1 teaspoon of lime juice that I just squeezed off the lime that I zested up there. I got a half a teaspoon of kosher salt. That actually is kosher salt and paprika. And then you can use a teaspoon of olive oil. I opted for the bear oil because you know me. I love my bear oil. All right, so now all I gotta do is just mix all this up in a bowl, glaze this awesome looking trout that we caught, and put that in my belly. All right, start off with the chili powder, a little bit of kosher salt, put that bear oil in or olive oil, whichever you prefer. In goes the honey. All right, I'm gonna put some of that zested lime in there. And the lime juice. Now I'm just gonna mix all that up. That'll be good. All right. That's it. That's all you need. Sauce is ready to go. So take a brush. Don't use a spoon because I find it clumps up a little too much, and just brush that on there. That trout's cold. You gotta warm it up. Make sure you coat the entire thing. That amount of herbs and spices that I went over there is perfect for 2 fillets or 1 nice lake trout. This is about like a 20-inch laker, maybe 22-inch lake trout. And you know, if you have 2, then just double it up. Ready to go in the oven at 375 for 15 to 18 minutes, or until it flakes apart with a fork just perfectly. I'm no Gordon Ramsay. I don't claim to be a chef at all. I'm just showing you guys how easy it is to go out, catch a lake trout, come home, cook it up yourself. It's not that bad. Cleaning it's not that hard. I'm sure you could do it. Anyway, into the oven we go. Hot. There we go. Perfect.
A few moments later.
And that's what they mean by flake apart right there. That is ready to go in my belly. What I meant earlier in the video is you don't have to take the skin off because it just peels right off that fish after it's cooked. This is my piece, don't worry. I won't give this to the wife. There you go. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe. Until next time.